All right. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are joining this Zoom from. Let me check my microphone. If you're able to hear me, please give me a yes in the chat. Give me a reaction in the chat if I'm loud and clear. Just trying to check my network here. If you are able to hear me, please drop me a yes in the chat. If I'm audible, drop me a yes in the chat. All right. So welcome everyone. This is Coach Mo joining you from Johannesburg, South Africa. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate everyone who managed to be part and parcel of Royal Q Revolution community in 2026. As we are getting started with our technical analysis, I would kindly ask you to prepare your mindset. You really need to have a good mindset when it comes to trading. So I would kindly request that you prepare your mindset. You should be able to learn and to unlearn, no matter how much what you know. It's gonna really help you in this journey. So let's get into what we are here to do. So we are starting our syllabus today. We normally start with TradingView when we are starting our technical analysis from the beginning. Our timetable is that we start with TradingView so that we begin together from there. The reason why we start with TradingView is this is the application that we mostly use for technical analysis. Most of the traders, they use TradingView for technical analysis. So for you to be able to do so, you need to have one on your phone, right? So we start from TradingView, we customize it, we make sure that you are able to know where to touch, especially when you are a beginner. I'm talking to those that are new, that have just joined us on technical analysis class. Yes, so you're gonna need the TradingView app. So that's why always when we start from TradingView, then we go up with the ladder and understanding how you can be able to be on your own until you do have the confidence to start analyzing a trade, analyzing a coin, and then say, I think this coin is ready to be traded. All right. So that's where we begin from. So I'm going to share my screen and then we get started with today's training. So once again, welcome everyone. Wherever you are joining us from, please, you are welcome. Right. So let me share my screen. All right. So I do have co-host. Please, if anything happens to my network, just take note that you are co-hosting me. Just take note that you are co-hosting me. Yes, you just need to be attentive there because network is network. Yeah, anything can happen. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so we are going to go to Play Store. We're gonna go to Play Store, where we are going to look for TradingView application. We're gonna go to Play Store, where we are going to look for TradingView application, right? That's where we are going to get started from. So we come here to Play Store. When you come to Play Store, okay, let me see what's happening here. Okay. So when you come to Play Store, it's the app where you download apps. If you are an Android user, if you are an iPhone user, then you go to App Store. Okay. So you come here and then you type in the name of the application, right? So you're going to look for TradingView app. You tap on the search button. I'm using a phone here, right? I'm using a phone. Yes. So take note of that. I'm using a phone so that all of us probably we are using the same features when we open the TradingView, because the Outlook, the display on a PC is a little bit different. So for beginners, allow me to use the phone so that you don't get lost. So you're gonna tap on the search button, then you type in the name of the application, which is TradingView. Okay, the moment I write in trade, then there is a guide. You can see that here is TradingView, right? So I'm going to open it. I'm going to tap on it. Okay, so I do have already on my phone, it is installed. That's why it is showing open. Okay, so with you, you're gonna need to download it. You're gonna need to install it. You're gonna tap on the install button. Then you'll be able to install it. All right. Then after installing it, then you'll be able to open. Right. After installing it, you're gonna be able to open. Right. So let's open now. Assuming that you have installed the TradingView app, and then you are having right there on your phone. So let's come and open it, and then we start customizing it. Okay, we start customizing it. So we are going to tap on the open. All right. So I'm going to do this. Let me remove everything here so that you don't get confused. All right. You don't get confused. I don't want to confuse somebody here. Okay. All right. So when you have downloaded your TradingView app, you're gonna need to register with an email address, and then you are going to create a password. Please take note of that. It's an application that is going to require you to register with your email address, and then you're going to create a password, because you can log out of the app, you can log into the app. So you are going to register with your email, and then you're gonna create your password. You're gonna have a profile like mine here. As you can see, you're gonna have a profile like mine here. So this is my profile. All right. That's my profile over there. When you tap on it, you will see that this is my profile that I am having here. All right. So this is my profile. It is under here on the menu section. It is under on the menu section here. The profile is under the menu section. So you are going to register with your email address, and then you're going to create a password so that you are able to sign out and sign into the app. All right. So after you have done that, then you can come further here. There is an icon here. All right. Let me circle it so that we are moving together. There is this icon here under the menu section still. When you open your profile, there is this icon at the top corner right. Okay. So at this top corner right, you also needed to do what we call choosing a theme, the color. Okay, how do you want your trading view to look like on your screen? Do you want it to be black like this one of mine? Can you see? Can you see the theme? Okay, so this is where you choose the theme for your screen. Okay, there are some who love bright colors. All right. But for the sake of me, with my eyes, I always preserve my eyes. So I use the dark theme color. All right. So you choose from here. There is a theme. All right. That's where you choose from. So you're going to tap on the theme. You're going to see that there are options to choose. One of these. There are only two. So you're going to choose what theme you are going to use. So if you want the light one, you are going to tick on the light one. If you want the dark one, you're going to click on the dark one, and you do have the theme of your app. Okay. So if you are going to choose this one, your screen is going to be looking like mine. It's dark. Okay. If you choose the light one, your screen is going to look light like this theme over here. All right. So that's how you are going to choose your theme. That's the area where you go and choose the theme of your screen. All right. So to those that are preserving their eyes, I'm sure they will go for the dark theme. So this is where you do choosing of the theme for your TradingView app. All right. Are we together there? Are we together so far? Are we together so far? Give me a reaction in the chat if we are together. We are doing some baby steps when it comes to technical analysis. We are starting from the beginning. All right. We are starting from the beginning. This is beginner's class. So if you do have the TradingView app already, please be patient with us. All right. I'm sure you were expecting something different. So if you do have a TradingView, you know how to use it, it's already customized. Please be patient with those that are new, those that are joining us on the business. Okay? Yes. Please be patient. All right? Because you went through the same thing. So allow others also to go through the same process so that somewhere, somehow, we carry each other along the way. Okay? So it may look like today I thought they are going to teach something. They are teaching TradingView. Okay, this is not for me. That's fine. That is fine. You are not forced to be here. Yes. You are not forced to be here. All right. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now, after you have chosen the theme of your TradingView app, okay, so you're gonna come here. You're gonna come here. Let's come to the home page. Okay, let's come to the home page. All right. So when you come to the home page, this is the setting part. Okay, this is the setting part. All right. So let's just tap on the watch list here. Okay, on the watch list here, you do not do anything, just like the way it is. But the area, the section that I'm looking for is this other section here, where it says watch list. When you tap, when you come down here, where is my cursor? Okay, let me bring it. When you come down here, you are going to see there is watch list, there is chart, there is explore, there is community, and there is menu. Okay? Right at the bottom of your screen, there are these features: the watch list, the chart, explore, community, and menu. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the watch list section. I'm gonna tap on the watch list. All right. So when I tap on the watch list, let me do like this. We want to create a watch list. We want to create a what? A watch list. What is a watch list? A watch list, it is a list of coins that you are going to keep your eyes on. A watch list, it is a list of pairs that you will be analyzing when you come to TradingView. In this case, we are trading with Royal Q. So the coins that you are going to add to your watch list, they should be coins that you are trading in Royal Q. The reason is, if you are to trade with Royal Q and you want to set up a trade, but you are not sure you want to check that coin, then you're gonna come here and check the coin on TradingView, how it is performing. All right, because the end result is you're gonna go to Royal Q and set that particular trade, that particular coin, or that particular asset. So you're gonna need to create your watch list. Okay, you're gonna need to create your watch list. All right, so now let's come here. How do you create a watch list? Here at the top corner here, there are these icons. Top corner left, there are these icons. There are two icons here. I'm gonna start with this one with 3 lines. This one that is having 3 lines. So when you tap here, okay, when you tap there, I do have a list already. Okay, I do have a list of the names of my watch list. Okay, so I want us to create I want to create a new watch list with you. I don't want to use these ones. All right, so if it was that I did not have any watch list, it means this page could be empty. You could not see anything on this page. But I have already created a couple of watch lists. So we want to create one together. All right, so I'm gonna tap on the plus sign. There is a plus sign at the top here, top corner right. There is a plus sign. Okay, there is a plus sign. So when I tap on the plus sign, it is going to ask me to give a name of the watch list. Okay, it is going to ask me to give a name of the watch list. So I said that a watch list, it is a list of coins that you are going to keep your eyes on in TradingView. All right, so let's say we give this watch list 2026. All right, 2026 watch list. All right, just for example, 2026 watch list. I'm giving a name to my watch list, 2026 watch list. Right, then after that, I'm going to tap on create. I'm gonna tap on create. All right, I'm gonna tap on create here. All right, yeah, so we have given the name 2026. Then after that, I create. So I have created the name of my watch list. It is called 2026 watch list. So currently, under my 2026 watch list, there is no pair there is no coin added to it. That's why it is empty. Can you see? There is nothing here. There is no symbol that is added to my watch list. Okay? So I'm going to add now coins that I would be monitoring. I would be analyzing when I come to TradingView. Are we together so far? Are we together? Are we together? Did I leave someone behind? Are we together? Give me a response. Give me something in the chat. Are we together? I'm talking to yes, to those that are not having TradingView. They are following me from the start. They are learning with me. Yes. I'm expecting a response from those because I know some they do have. Okay. So let's proceed if we are together. So I'm going to add pairs here. Okay. I'm going to add pairs here. It says there are no symbols in this watch list. Can you see? There are no symbols in this watch list. Symbols are the coins that you are going to add, or the pairs that you are going to add. They are called symbols here, right? So I'm gonna tap on add symbol. Okay, I'm gonna tap on add symbol. So I'm going to search. I'm gonna look for the coins that I want to add, because here on TradingView, okay, as we keep on discovering it, I'm going to show you that we do have different types of markets. Okay, we do have different types of markets. As you can see here, we do have stocks. Okay, it's not only crypto. On TradingView, you can analyze stocks, you can analyze funds, you can analyze futures. Okay, as you can see there. So there are different types of markets here on TradingView. Can you see? There is Forex, there is crypto, there is indices, there is bonds. You can see. All right. So I am into crypto. Okay. I am into crypto. Then maybe I'm going to tap on crypto. Then I will be looking for the coins that I'm looking for, or the symbols that I'm looking for. All right. So these symbols, they are going to be shown from different exchanges. Are we together? The symbols that we are going to add, for example, we are looking for Bitcoin, BTC, all right? They are going to be shown from different exchanges. As you can see here, they are able to be shown from Binance, Coinbase, okay? Yeah, Bybit, Bitstamp, different exchanges, all right? So you can choose, I would recommend that you choose from Binance. Okay, you can just choose any, because remember, you just want to analyze. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin. So you are going to write BTC USDT. Okay, BTC USDT. That's how you are going to search. So if you are looking for BTC in the spot, remember, we are trading both in the spot and in the futures market. Okay, in the spot and the futures market. So it is going to show you, okay, for example, you are looking for BTC that is in the spot, is going to write spot crypto here. Okay, if you are looking for the one in spot, is going to show you spot crypto. But if you are looking for the futures, okay, BTC in futures, then you need to scroll down here. You need to scroll down here. You are going to see perpetuals, okay? You're going to see perpetual. For example, down here, let me see, how far can I go? It is going to show you BTC perpetual, all right? And on the side here, it is going to write swap. In the spot, it writes spot here. Okay, in the spot, it writes spot crypto. But in the futures, it writes swap crypto. Can you see? It is writing swap crypto. So I'm looking for Binance. I want my pairs to have the symbol of Binance, or I'm choosing the ones from Binance. All right. So I'll be focusing on this icon of Binance here, the logo of Binance. So if I want perpetual, BTC USDT perpetual, which means futures, then I'm going to come and look for swap. I'm going to come and look for swap. Okay. Then when you come here to the side of swap, there is a plus icon. The same applies when it comes to spot. If I go back here and look at the first BTC that we were looking at, okay, there is a plus sign here. So when you tap on the plus sign, it means you are adding the pair to your watch list. So I'm going to tap on plus. See, it has ticked and it says it has been added to my 2026 watch list. All right. So that is BTC, USDT, and this is spot crypto. If I want both of them, I want the futures. The futures, which is the perpetual. I'm going to come here and tick on the futures as well. I'm going to add. If I want both of them, okay, then I add. It's added. So I do have two BTC, the one in the spot and the one in futures. It's added. All right. What else do I want to add? We are moving slowly. Okay. So I said that when you are adding these pairs, go to your RoyalQ application. Check the coins that are there. Then bring them here one by one. Check the names of the coins that are in RoyalQ. Okay. So here I'm only starting with the big pairs. For example, I want to add Ethereum. So I'm going to just tap ETH. Okay. So here is Ethereum in the spot crypto. All right. So I'm going to tap add here. Then I'm adding Ethereum. Okay. It is added. If I want Ethereum in a perpetual, which is futures, then I'm going to scroll down here and look for perpetual. So here it is. I do have Ethereum swap. Okay, Ethereum swap, which is futures. So I'm going to tap on the plus sign. I have added Ethereum. Okay, what else do I want to add? Okay, you can look at those coins that are in RoyalQ. All right, so I'm just looking for the big coins here, like BTC, Ethereum. For example, let me add Pepe. Okay, let me add Pepe, for example, Pepe USDT. So I do have Pepe in the spot. Okay, yes. Please take note that there are pairs that are not in swap crypto. Okay, there are pairs we are trading in RoyalQ. They are only in the spot, but under the futures, they are not there. So if you want to add future pairs, you're gonna go to your futures and see which coins are available under the futures coins or the futures list, because it's not everything that is in spot that is available in the futures section. Okay, take note of that. So here is Pepe USDT, which is spot. Then I'm gonna tap on the plus sign. I have added Pepe. Okay. Do I have Pepe in futures? Yes. It is called what? Pepe in futures. It is called what? Pepe in futures. It is called what? There is Pepe, but it's not like Pepe. Yes. It is called what? 1000. Yes, there is 1000 Pepe, something like that. Okay. It's not like Pepe straight, but I think it is 1000 Pepe, something like that. Yes. All right. So if I want the futures section, Then I'm gonna type in the name is not just Pepe. I think it is 1000. Is it 1000 Pepe? Am I correct? I think it is 1000 Pepe. All right. So I'm gonna tap there. I'm gonna search. For example, let me try to search. I think it's 1000 Pepe. Am I correct? All right. So here it is. Can you see? I'm looking for futures now. I do have Pepe. This is Pepe in the swap section. So it is 1000 Pepe USDT. All right. That's the Pepe. So I'm going to add. I'm going to tap on add here. Then I have added my Pepe futures. So it's been added. So you can do this until you have added your coins that are in Royal Queue. You can do this until you have added your coins that are in Royal Queue. See now, this is our watch list. Okay? This is our watch list that we have created so far, but we only have these pairs. So here is the button that you can continue to add. You can continue to add. Now, when it comes to the watch list, you are only allowed to add 30 pairs on each watch list. Okay? If you are on the free version of TradingView, because there is the paid version. If you are someone who is subscribing, then you do have a capacity of 1000 pairs that you can add on one watch list. But if you are on the free version, the one that I'm teaching you here, you can only add 30 pairs. When you reach 30, it is going to refuse for you to add more. So what do? You are going to create another watch list. Okay? You are allowed to create another watch list. Are we together? So you're going to create another watch list to this one. Then you're going to add again 30 more pairs. Okay? You have to create another watch list. After you have created the second one, for free version, it means you are done. You are only allowed to have 2 watch lists that you create yourself. Now, after that, I want you to come here. There is this red icon here. Okay? There is this red icon here. It comes with it. So it is a watch list like default. It is called a red watch list. Okay, it is already there. So you can make use of this red watch list. You come and then you also add coins under the red watch list. You can also only add 30. Okay? You can come and add pairs under the red watch list. This one you don't create it. You just need to tap on it and then you start adding pairs on it. It's already there. You don't need to give a name. Are we together? So you do have the first watch list, 2026 watch list. Then you create a second one. After creating the second one, then you're going to have this one as your third watch list. So on each watch list, you are only limited to 30 pairs. So you might have something like 90 or 89, somewhere there, 89 pairs in total. I know we do have more than 89 pairs in Royal Queue. Okay? So don't be limited. If you want to search, if you want to analyze any pair that is not added to your watch list, okay? You want to analyze a certain coin, but it is not among your watch list, and your watch list is full. You cannot add any more. What do? You just need to come here and tap this icon on the corner here. Here. Okay? Where you use it to search. So you tap on that icon, then you look for the name of the coin. Okay? You look for the name of the coin. All right? For example, you want to look for jelly. Let's say that you are a jelly guy, all right? You want to look for jelly, right? So you want to analyze jelly, but it's not added to your watch list, right? So you're gonna come here, you type in jelly, you can see that it is showing one in the swap, okay? So I will just open it so that I can analyze it. I will just tap this section here. I will just tap anywhere here, because if I tap plus, it's not gonna be added because my watch list is full. So it's not gonna be added. It will refuse. When your watch list is full, you tap on the plus sign, it refuses. So you just tap the coin to open. It will just open like this, right? It will open like this. Then you open the candles now, then you can be able to analyze, okay? Yes, my chart is a little bit loaded, but when we start looking at this, I'll clear some of the stuff here so that you are able to see it clearly, okay? I'm having the paid version. My TradingView is a paid version, so I'm not limited. I can use whatever is under my paid version here, right? So it may look different from yours. Don't worry. I'm using a paid version. There are other things that you're not gonna access when you are using the free one. Okay, but still you can be able to analyze a coin and find areas of entry and exit with the free version. There is nothing wrong with it. It is just that some of the tools you're not gonna have access to them. You are just a little bit limited. All right, there are other indicators that you may not be allowed to use when you are on the free version. But I just want to assure you that you can technically analyze a trade with the free version. Are we together? So is it okay on how to create the watch list? Is it okay on how to create the watch list? Is it okay on how to create the watch list? Is it okay on how to create the watch list? Is someone remaining behind? Are we still together? Are we still together? Because we are doing some baby steps here. We're gonna be here. Yes, for a couple of weeks, we're gonna be here. For a couple of days, we're gonna be here. Yes, when I'm done with the first segment, the other leaders will come and join me to carry you through to the other segments that we normally do. Okay, so this is a foundation block. I'm doing a foundation block. If you miss this one, when people come here and teach you how to analyze a coin, drawing support and resistance, then you'll be like, how? What type of planet Earth is this one? Yes. What type of planet Earth is this one? Okay. So I'm doing a building block here. I'm doing a building block. All right. So a step by step. Okay. So let's come back here. Let's come back here. Let me remove all these unnecessary stuff here. Let me remove all these unnecessary stuff here. Let me remove them. Yeah. Or let me just hide them. Because people are losing concentration here. Some people are losing concentration. All right. Yes, some people are losing concentration. So let me hide all this stuff that are here. So when you open any pair, let's go to our watch list. Let's go to our watch list that we have created. Let's use our watch list. So this is 2026 watch list, the one we were creating together, right? This is the 2026 watch list. So we want to open any pair that we have added. Okay? Whether I'm saying a pair, a symbol, it is the same. Okay? the BTC USDT, it is a symbol, it is a pair. Okay, so let's open BTC. When you tap, it is going to look like this. When you open any pair from your watch list, let's go back. When you open any pair from your watch list, it is going to look like this first. Now, for you to have access to the candle section, okay, because this is just an overview, a display. So there is this icon here. You need to tap here. Can you see this thing here? This thing here, yes. It is for you to open furthermore to what is here on the screen. Okay, because these are not candles that you can adjust. So you need to tap on this thing here, this thing here. All right. When you tap on it, then it's gonna open further now. So you're gonna have these candles. Okay, we haven't started about candles yet. Okay, we're gonna still learn what is a candle, okay, the components of a candle and all that. That is the reason why we are using TradingView, because we wanna start looking at candles. That is the reason. When we are doing our technical analysis, we do them on a chart. Okay, but now I want us to navigate the features that are on TradingView. We may not finish it today. All right, I think on customizing, we might finish it tomorrow. Okay, so come with me here. I want us to set the location. There is someone here is in Nigeria. I am in South Africa. Someone is in Uganda. We do have different time zone. So for TradingView to give us accurate information of the app, we need to register our time zone. Where are we accessing TradingView? Are we together? Where are we accessing our what? Our TradingView. So what should we do for us to do our location? So we are going to come here and tap on this icon. Okay, we're gonna come here and tap on this icon. On this icon here. This icon here. We are now starting to make use of the icons that appears when we open any pair. This is what we call customization of our TradingView application. So we are starting to set our location. Where are we accessing the app? Right? So when you tap on this icon, you need to scroll and come down here. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back. Tap on this icon over here. I said I like to use baby steps. I'm not in a hurry. Even if I only teach one or two things, it's still okay. As long as those things, they stay in your head, that is okay with me, right? Because you're gonna use them effectively. So tap on this icon here. When you tap on that icon, you're gonna arrive on this page. Don't tap anything here. You just need to scroll. I want you to scroll until you get to the last part of this page where it says more setting. Where it says more setting, right here. Okay, right at the bottom of this second page, right? Then tap on more setting. All right. When you tap on more setting, you're gonna arrive on this page. Let me go back. You are here. All right. You are here. Tap on this icon. Scroll. Tap on more setting. When you arrive on more setting, the next page is this one. On this page, I want you to tap here where it says scales and lines. Scales and lines, there is an arrow pointing to the left. Under scales and lines, there is an arrow pointing to your left side. Tap on that arrow. Tap on that arrow. When you tap on that arrow, it takes you to this next page. Okay? This is the longest way to get to Lagos. But I'm going to show you the shortest way to get to Lagos. All right? This is the shortest way to come, the longest way to come to Kampala. Okay? Yes. You want to drive to Kampala, I'm taking you the longest way. But I'm going to teach you also the shortest way to come to Kampala. I don't know if there is. All right. So when you come to this page, okay? When you come to this page, there is this part where it says symbol. Can you see here? It writes symbol here. After you have come from here. After you have come from here. Okay? After you have come from scales, then you're going to arrive on symbols. Symbols is under setting. It's still under setting here. So when you tap on symbols, it's going to take you here. When you come to symbols, it's going to take you here. So down here, there is time zone. Time zone. All right? Time zone. So under time zone, then you click this box. There is an arrow that is pointing down in this box. There is an arrow pointing down inside this box. Then you are going to choose your time zone there. You are setting your location. So I am in Johannesburg. I'm using UTC +2. Okay? So check your nearest time zone. You see, we do have Nairobi here. Nairobi here. Okay? There is Nairobi here. Those that are in East Africa, they can use Nairobi time. It's still okay. Whether you are in Uganda, you can also use Nairobi time. It's still okay. All right? You can choose your nearest time zone. Are we together here? Your nearest time zone. Those that you are sharing time with. Okay? When I say nearest time zone, those that you are sharing time with. Here is Lagos, UTC +1. Lagos is there. All right? So click your time zone. Check. If you do not have your time zone like your city, for example, Johannesburg, I'm going to look for the nearest. Which other areas I'm sharing time with? If it is 9 o'clock here, it is also 9 o'clock over there. Okay? For example, those that are in Malawi, there is no Lilongwe here. There is no Lilongwe here. So they are going to use Johannesburg time. Okay? They are going to use Johannesburg time. Those that are in Zimbabwe, they're going to use Johannesburg time. We are sharing the same time zone. That's what I'm saying when I'm talking of choose the nearest time zone. Okay? So I don't expect someone to say, I don't find mine there. I'm not seeing mine there. No. Choose the nearest time zone that you're sharing time with. Are we together? Then after that, you're going to tap OK to save your choice of location. You're going to tap on the OK button here. Then you save. All right? So you have done time zone location. You have done your time zone location. All right? Now, the shortest way now. Let me teach you the shortest way. You want to get to Lagos, you want to get to Kampala, I want to teach you the shortest way. Right now, you do have candles here. Okay? You do have candles that are appearing on the screen. Okay? Here are some candles here. So when you double tap, I'm saying double tap. What did I say? Double tap. You double tap on the candles. Here are candles. These ones are candles. Okay? So you double tap on the candles. Have you seen? What did I do? I double tap on the candle. I double tap on the candle. Just press twice. You press twice on the candles. Ta, it will open. The moment it opens, it takes you straight. I said this is the shortest way to Lagos, to Kampala. This is what I was talking about. Instead of you going through that other one, okay? The reason why I did not start with this one, there are people that are a little bit scared. They are afraid that if I do this, I'm going to mess up. So double tapping on their candles, they are even afraid. Their hands are shaking. Am I lying? Am I lying? For one to double tap on the screen, someone might start shaking. Okay? And they don't know how to come back. Yes, I was once like you, so don't worry. I was once like you, so don't worry. So you double tap on the screen. You double tap on the screen. On this section of candles, just double tap on it. Then you're going to arrive straight to time zone. So here is the time zone. Then you can choose your time zone there. Is that okay? Is that okay? If you are shaking, it is normal. It's not abnormal. Okay? Don't feel bad. If you are shaking, it is normal. There is nothing wrong. You are on the way to learning. Can you imagine your first day? Your first day at school. You used to be a kid who used to play at home. But now they are telling you something called school. They say you are going to go to school. I'm taking you to your first day. How did it feel like? You even cried like hell. They carried you on the shoulder. You didn't want to go to that place called school. You cried. When your mommy left you there, you broke. You didn't want your mommy to go. Yes. So if you are shaking, it is okay. If you are shaking, it is okay. Don't we have Accra there? On the let me check. Don't we have Accra here? Someone is asking what about Ghana? I didn't see Accra here. There's no Accra here. There isn't Accra here, ne? Okay, if there's no Accra, you guys in Ghana, choose those that you are sharing time with. Okay? Choose those that you are sharing time with. You guys on the western side. There should be countries that you are sharing time with. So use that time. Yeah, use that location. It's okay. It's gonna give you the correct data. It will give you the correct data. Okay? Our friends in Ghana, please use the nearest time zone that you're sharing with. It's okay. Okay. We have just started. You just need to be patient with yourself. We are doing baby steps. Anyone with a question here? Anyone with a question with what we have covered so far? Anybody with a question? Feel free. I'm giving you a couple of minutes because we have to wind up. Actually, yes, sometimes when we push, it gets to like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 20 minutes. Yeah. So is there anyone with a question? Okay, thank you so much, Prince. Prince doesn't have any question. Everything was clear to him. All right. That's okay. So we don't have any questions, right? We don't have any questions. Okay, so if there are no questions, we are going to call it a morning. We are going to meet again tomorrow, same time, same platform. Please, these lessons, they are attached to each other. Okay? These lessons, they are attached to each other. If you miss one, you may get lost in the woods. Okay? Because when I come tomorrow, I'm not going to start from where we were doing today. I'm going to start from where we have left today. Navigation of the TradingView app. You need to know which areas to touch if you're looking for anything that you want to use on your technical analysis. All right? So I'll be showing you where to touch. So we are going to call it a morning. We're going to meet again tomorrow. Yes, mine is never been responded. Which one is that? Which question is that? Mark Diamond. Mark Diamond, what was your question? What was your question, Mark Diamond? Yes, you can use TradingView without registering. Okay. Oh, okay, Mark Diamond, I got you. Can the second watch list be named 2026 or so? It's up to you. You can call it 2026 part 2. Okay, it's just a matter of giving a name to the watch list. Mark Diamond. There's nothing so special. Okay? It depends on how do you want it to be. So you can call it, this was just a suggestion from me. I'm not saying you should call it 2026. No. You can call it Royal Q watch list. You can call it Royal Q pairs, you know. Yes, when it comes to the names, you are not limited. So this was just my suggestion that I am giving a name 2026 watch list. So I did not mean that you should also call it 2026 watch list. No. All right, from the creation of the name. From the creation of the name, yeah. So I think I have answered your question, Mark Diamond. Yes, Chief Andokari, we do have a business presentation in the evening today. We do have a business presentation. Yeah, so prepare the prospects. There is a business presentation today in the evening. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Okay. So let's meet in the other training. I believe that there is a training at 10 a.m. East African time, 9 a.m. South African time. Yes. Yes, we do have a training today. No, the business presentation, it is on Monday and Wednesday. Business presentation is on Monday and Wednesday. Monday, we did not have it, unfortunately, because of some other inconveniences that we were having. So the days for business presentation is Monday and Wednesday. Yes. Okay, guys, let's meet in the upcoming Zoom at 10, at 9, yes, respectively. I hope to see you there so that we keep learning, so that we can keep winning. So thank you so much, the co-host that we are supporting me today. Really appreciate you. I know some, they are already gone, they are not here, but thank you in their absentia. All right. See you guys. Have a lovely, lovely Wednesday. Bye-bye.